For those who enjoy a cold drink or need iced for various purposes, having a reliable ice crusher can be a great addition to your kitchen. Whether you're hosting a party, preparing smoothies, or just need crushed ice for a drink, these ice crushers are designed to make the task easy. I have listed 5 best options for 2024, focusing on their key features and performance. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Vever Ice Crushers Machine. When it comes to power and efficiency, this ice crushers machine stands out as the best heavy-duty option. This machine is equipped with a robust 300-watt motor and a stainless steel 4-blade head, allowing it to crush up to 220 pounds of ice per hour. This makes it perfect for anyone who needs to produce large quantities of fluffy shaved ice quickly, whether for a party, a restaurant, or a bar. One of the key features of this ice crushers machine is its ease of use. With just one button, you can switch the machine on and off, making the ice crushing process straightforward. The machine is versatile, capable of handling both small ice particles and large ice cubes with ease. The full stainless steel body not only gives it a durable and solid feel, but also ensures it is easy to clean after use. Safety and convenience are also prioritized in this design. The lattice cover and splash-proof outlet prevent ice dregs from splashing out, reducing the risk of accidental injury and keeping your workspace clean. The ergonomic handle, made from insulated rubber, provides a comfortable grip and makes the machine labor-saving to operate. Additionally, the waterproof one-button switch allows safe operation even if your hands are wet. This ice crushers machine is ideal for a variety of applications, from making cold drinks and desserts to chilling seafood or creating frozen cocktails. Its powerful performance and user-friendly features make it a top choice for those who require a reliable and efficient ice crusher. Number 4. KitchenAid K150. This one stands out as the best versatile blender in this lineup, offering more than just ice crushing capabilities. With a 650-watt motor and an asymmetric blade that blends at 4 distinct angles, this blender can crush ice in less than 10 seconds, providing the perfect texture for smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or ice, the K150 ensures a smooth and consistent result every time. What makes this ice crusher particularly versatile is its 3 optimally designed speed settings, plus an ice crush setting. This gives you full control over your blending process, allowing you to achieve the ideal taste, texture, and consistency no matter what ingredients you're working with. The soft start feature is a thoughtful addition, as it starts the motor at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade before quickly ramping up to the selected speed, reducing the risk of splatter. Another standout feature of this ice crusher is the IntelliSpeed motor control, which automatically senses the contents and adjusts the speed to maintain optimal performance. This ensures that even the toughest ingredients are blended smoothly. This one also includes 2 dual-purpose blend-and-go personal blender jars, which allow you to blend your smoothie and then convert the jar into an on-the-go container. This makes it perfect for those with busy lifestyles who need a quick and convenient way to enjoy their drinks. While it's not dishwasher safe, this ice crusher is easy to clean thanks to its simple design. This blender is ideal for those who want a versatile and powerful appliance that can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Number 3. Dash Ice Maker. For those seeking best compact and versatile option, this ice maker is the best choice. This shaved ice maker and slushy machine is perfect for creating delicious frozen treats right at home. Whether you're making snow cones, slushies, or even artisanal cocktails, this ice maker delivers fluffy, finely shaved ice with ease. One of the key features of the Dash Ice Maker is its ability to create personalized treats. You can choose your own ingredients and top your slushies with fresh fruit or homemade syrup, allowing you to enjoy healthier and more creative frozen treats. The included recipe guide offers a variety of options, making it easy to get started. The innovative design of this ice maker also sets it apart. Despite its compact size, it is powerful enough to shave ice with precision thanks to its sharp blades. This makes it easy to create a wide range of frozen treats, from simple snow cones to more elaborate shaved ice cocktails and mocktails. Another advantage of this ice maker is its convenience and space-saving design. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it a great option for those with limited kitchen space. The machine is also easy to disassemble for quick and mess-free cleanup. Included with the machine are a recipe guide and instruction manual, ensuring that you have everything you need to start creating delicious frozen treats right away. This ice maker is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact, versatile, and easy-to-use shaved ice machine. Number 2. Mamba Ice Crusher. This ice crusher is the best manual option for those who prefer a hands-on approach to making shaved ice. This portable, hand-crank ice crusher is designed for those who want a simple, reliable, and easy-to-use tool for creating fluffy, snow-like ice, whether at home or on the go. One of the standout features of this ice crusher is its high-quality construction. The machine features 18/8 stainless steel blades that are durable and resistant to rust, ensuring long-term use. The 3 precision-cut blades shave ice much faster and more efficiently than single-blade models, making it a time-saving choice for creating snow cones, slushies, margaritas, and other frozen drinks. This ice crusher is also incredibly easy to use. Simply place ice cubes in the crusher, turn the hand crank, and watch as the machine produces finely shaved ice. The included ice cube tray allows you to freeze 15 perfect-sized ice blocks, which are ideal for making a variety of drinks. The flexible silicone tray makes it easy to release the ice cubes with just a simple twist or push. In addition to its ease of use, this ice crusher is also easy to clean and store. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for outdoor use, whether you're at a picnic, a party, or camping. Since it doesn't require electricity, you won't have to worry about finding a power source, making it a convenient option for any setting. This ice crusher is the ideal choice for those who want a portable, manual ice crusher that delivers high performance without the need for electricity. Number 1. Vivum Ice Crusher. This ice crusher stands out as the best overall choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient ice crushing machine. Designed with user convenience in mind, this manual ice crusher allows you to effortlessly create fluffy, snow-like ice with just a few turns of the handle. It's perfect for making snow cones, slushies, and a variety of other cold treats. The inclusion of 3 ice molds ensures that you can produce consistently fluffy snow, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen or outdoor setup. One of the key features of this ice crusher is its food-grade material construction, combined with thickened stainless steel blades. These durable blades are designed to crush ice cubes efficiently and reliably, while the built-in spring ice press keeps the ice firmly in place for effortless operation. Unlike electric models, this manual crusher eliminates the worry of electronic failures, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it easy to store and transport, whether you're heading out for a picnic or simply want to save space in your kitchen. Cleaning this ice crusher is a breeze, thanks to its detachable structure. After use, you can easily disassemble the parts and rinse them under running water, ensuring a quick and hassle-free cleanup. This user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice not only for everyday use, but also as a thoughtful gift for family and friends. Whether you're preparing a refreshing margarita or a fun slushie, this ice crusher delivers reliable performance every time, making it the best overall option in this category. As we wrap up our review of the best ice crushers of 2024, it's clear that having the right crusher can make all the difference in crafting the perfect drink, whether you're hosting a summer BBQ or mixing up cocktails for a night in. Each of these top contenders is designed to bring the chill factor to your beverages with ease and style. Don't miss out on the best deals. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow cocktail enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Cheers to cool drinks and even cooler gadgets.